In a successful business, people make all the difference. We really do work together to give the absolute best service possible. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one, and it motivates our team to serve you better. We work very hard to achieve great reviews like this. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.